Live 5 News starts now with a first alert severe weather alert.
Right now, cleanup underway on Johns Island after that overnight tornado whipped through, and boy, did it. It destroyed some homes. First, we're tracking the tropics and want to alert you to the latest information on Hurricane Joaquin.
It's expected to head up the East Coast and could cause windy and rainy conditions here. Bill Walsh is in our First Alert Storm Center with the latest track. Bill?
Yeah, guys, if I were along the North Carolina coast, I'd be pretty concerned.
Right now at 6, a coastal flood advisory still in effect for the next 2 hours here in Charleston County. You can see some scattered storms ahead on the radar. We have team coverage tonight with storms popping up around the Lowcountry.
Live 5 News starts now with a first alert severe weather alert.
South Carolina has gone through a storm of historic proportions.
And Governor Haley says it's not over yet. What we know right now, 9 people dead, caught in the dangerous waters across the state or killed in traffic accidents because of the incessant rain and floods. 1,300 National Guard members have been deployed with 7,000 more on alert.
Travel across South Carolina crippled by the rain and flooding. 550 roads and bridges are closed with 25 shelters open for anyone seeking a dry and safe place.
And Debbie, it's not just the rain. Today it was also the wind. A wind advisory will expire in just a minute. Something to be aware of when you're heading home. You can see the flag waving here and those gusts at Bohicket Creek.
As you said, the wind's up to 30 miles per hour. They can knock over trees or power lines, so everyone please be careful. Right now, our chief meteorologist, Bill Walsh, is tracking the storm.
Bill, we all want to know this. When will this incessant rain come to an end?
Well, it will end, in fact.
Right now, a flash flood watch is in effect for Berkeley, Charleston, and Dorchester counties. It'll stay that way for the next few days until Sunday afternoon.
We have team coverage as this dangerous weather starts. A soggy weekend, maybe a dangerous one too, with the flooding.
All right, thank you, Harv. And now we want to continue our coverage in North Charleston, where Karina Bolster is right now.
Karina, you are in the Pepper Hill neighborhood. How are conditions out there?
A gentleman too who didn't want to leave his home, so they made sure he was all right.
Yeah, and some of the background on this neighborhood, obviously, Lisa just told
Areas
you.
in Dorchester County dealing with water flowing from the Ashley River near their homes. Our Alexis Simmons was in a neighborhood off Dorchester Road that experienced some flooding.
Right now, I'm in
Georgetown County, one of the parts of the state hit hardest during this historic weather event. Right now, residents continue to battle flooded roads and closed down streets. Some people had to evacuate their homes, forcing them into shelters for several nights. Stephanie Robusto there now with a look at how the cleanup is going. Stephanie?